Can I do repairs myself? The answer is yes and no. 99% of our owners direct real property management to handle all repairs because of our volume. We get discounted rates and we have a long list of professionals who can jump right in and get the job done, which helps maintain resident satisfaction. Because of this, we have developed systems so that these repairs are done timely, cost effectively, and with professional workmanship. So when an owner requests to do outside work, it's outside of our systems and the opportunity for timeliness repairs and error are greater. With that said, we have had some owners that own professional trades companies, such as an owner that owns a heating and cooling company. In this case, it just makes sense to utilize the property owner's own company to service their rental property. In these cases, we do require all paperwork to include licenses, insurance, workers' compensation, etc., as we do from all of our vendors.